Okay, today I'm going to testify something. I've been scammed. This is not ruining somebody's business, because a business is you pay money, you get your goods, you get your items, you get your renovation done. But this one is you pay tens and thousands, and then this company just disappear with your renovation money. Okay, so you can see this is a awesome company, Leposh Construction, with 4.8 stars. 74 people have reviewed, very positive reviews. If you can see, it's all about good workmanship, attention to detail, and very affordable prices. Everything that I ever wanted. That's why I signed with them. Okay, it's 10k likes, 10k followers, but behind it is, to my experience, okay, disclaimer, it's just my experience. I don't know what you guys experience, but this is like a one-man show scamming with just lots of marketing work, right? So I have reported to the police, because this is a serious issue. Somebody taking tens and thousands from me, right? Even highlighted to the MP, Bukit Batok, Mr. Murali Pillai. Right, the police have frozen his company account because there are multiple reports. I'm not the only one who is reporting. He has scammed another customer, and he has scammed the workers. I don't know how long this scam has been ongoing, but at the moment, I can present to you the Google review that he has deleted, and that is the evidence that I'm not the only one. Right, so we go to the small claims tribunals to get a judgment on him, because this guy is very evasive and he's always gaslighting people. So we finally get just claiming for undelivered goods 7.k plus only. My whole project is 18k. Okay, he has done like probably 40 to 50% of the works, and we already paid 90%. Okay, this is just so that he won't twist the story and things like that. Supposed to pay on 22nd April, which is today, but no news from him. Totally no news. Right, so please stay till the end to see the deleted Google reviews. I'll try to make it as short as possible. First, he promised to finish in 4 days, but after getting about 11k, he left the house empty for months before starting about 2 days of a half-ass job, incomplete job, and then after that leave it empty again. Right, we already told him from the start, we have a timeline to catch, we are renting, and every month, okay, the rents are like 2k per month, and please, try to keep to the timeline. He just don't care after getting your money. Right, so here, there is lack of evidence, evidence of lack of ID supervision. And the workers that he used are unskilled, although that he claimed that it's his workers and it's all in-house and but actually you can see for yourself. Right, you can see here, this is part of my review which he deleted. Testing out new worker skills on your house. Look at the curtain pelmet. You remove your glasses and you can see that it's not quite right there. Okay, in fact, let me tell you, this curtain pelmet don't even exist until I have to be the ID. I have to come down to my own house to see what they're doing, and to my horror, he didn't even tell them there is curtain pelmet. Okay, it was all gone wrong. This is the group of quite inexperienced workers. So they just walk everywhere with the plaster on the feet all the way to the next block. Okay, and worse still, okay, we don't care. You don't you're not there to supervise, but at least be humble enough to not say, oh, you think you're God, is it? You think you're God? You expect the God-like treatment. Okay, when we ask you, where is your ID supervision? Right, we got to come all the way from our workplace just to mop the floors of the 2 blocks. This is quite bad for ID services. Okay, pay a markup price, but we don't get what we paid for. Look at this, self-explanatory. Okay, ask you to come to supervise, don't want to come, repeatedly don't want to come. Why? Because you said that HDB is so small. You continue to shame us because your project's so small. Okay, you only do malls, right? You only do malls, that's why you don't want to come, right? So look at this. This is the workmanship. Didn't come. Plumber came without having all the equipment, the pipes, everything. Not because the plumber is unprofessional, but you said that we will provide it. And then when we ask you to give us a list of things that we're supposed to buy, you don't know how to give us. So when the plumber didn't do a proper work, you say, plumber, you don't do a proper work, I'm not going to pay you. Am I right? Okay, so it's all a snake kind of work. You cheat here, you cheat there, cheat everywhere. Right. Then you can see we have to fix the water heater ourselves. We have to fix the washing machine ourselves. This is what we get paying the ID to do the job, right? So after all the long wait and the unfinished shit works, would you proceed with the third payment? I ask you. Would you proceed with the third payment? For me, I feel hesitant to proceed with the third payment. But then he employed another tactic, which is using your sympathy, right? So he took advantage of our kindness. He just used the photos and he went hysterical. He said that, oh, you need to pay or else, I'm making a loss and things like that. And then we are so good, right? We think that, okay, we don't want him to make a loss. We want to respect his rice bowl. So he promised us on 26th of November. He said, oh, your carpentry can be on 12th of December and things like that. If you pay today. So I paid the third payment. So that is 90% already. So after that, come 12th December, he cannot deliver. Come 20th December, he also cannot deliver. Then I write him a review. Then after that, he say, oh, your business, I don't want to do. Who wants to do your business? What do you mean? You run off with 90% of my money and then you say you don't want to do my business. That's a very logical explanation for normal business person. I don't know. But for me, it's not very logical to me. Only scammers talk like that, right? So these workers not paid, other customers cheated. Plumber didn't get paid. You say, use plumber subcon, end of the day, don't want pay money, play with worker. Right, electrician also didn't receive. We paid very high price. Okay, 5,008 for 4-bedroom. He said, what, Johnson, MIA, don't make payment. Electrician was blocked for chasing payments from him. Okay, he ate it all. He ate everything. Didn't do the job, just walking around, but eat up everybody's money, eat up everybody's rice bowl, right? Another customer also gets scammed. This Junti guy, right? Repeated delays and empty promises on renovation. Very fast in requesting payment. I cannot agree with you more, Junti. Very fast in requesting payment. Right, that is the only good skill this guy is doing. Very good. Once payment received, near to 0 responses from them. No, it's not them, it's just Johnson. Right, requested for refund. Don't hope for refund. Okay, please respond to case. I don't know. I don't want to get case involved because my time is precious. So let's just move on. Right. This is my deleted review. You can just stop and look at it. I don't want to go through. But it's also the same team as you can see from the last review. Right. I just asking back for my money for a few of these jobs which are halfway done and fail to deliver. Okay. But you remember what this guy say? He actually do malls, okay? You don't do this kind of small little projects like my house, but cannot deliver. I don't understand. No logic, this guy. Right, this one, my husband, he saw people start posting. He gave the contact. Let us report the police together. Okay. So, there are multiple police reports. The police has frozen the company account. Right, strangely, after all this, why is it not closing down? Right? Why is it not closing down? My only theory is because he just need more pocket money to scam people in the future. This is my claim. Okay? Even the worker who can help him in the next project, he don't want to pay. Do you think he'll pay you? I don't think so. The whole process with Johnson was very stressful because literally he don't give a shit after he gets your money. Okay, after he gets your money, total different person, right? So he just very easy to do an ID job. Any one of us can do ID job too. Just delete Google review. So you erase the evidence of crime. Silence the voice of scam victims. But I won't be silent. I won't be silent. I am putting it up here. This is the face of a scammer, right? If you want to look at Leposh Construction, please go and check out the beautiful reviews. You can choose to believe me. You can choose not to believe me. But you can always take Johnson's service. Then you can find out. Okay? So thank you very much for staying tuned. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.